evening po sa inyong lahat.
Dahil sa kanilang mahusay na pagganap, mas napatingkad ang mga kwento at mga pangunahing karakter nito.
Sila ang nagbibigay ng balanse sa buong pelikula. Sino naman kaya ang mapapabilang sa hanay ng mahuhusay na supporting actors? Narito ang mga nominado.
Ang mga nominado para sa Best Supporting Actor: Zach Sibug for Unmarried,
Just want us to be okay and happy again. Please. Just this one.
Tom Rodriguez for Unmarried,
I'm her husband. I'm well aware of everything that she was benefiting from our marriage. I gave her everything she wanted. She was proud of the life that I gave and afforded her.
Cedric Juan for Manila's Finest,
Kung ako sa'yo, bumalik na lang kayo sa panguhuli ng mga snatcher sa Quiapo. At iwanan niyo na sa amin ang mas importante pang mga bagay.
Will Ashley for Barboys After School,
Sure, I'm proud of who I am. But I could have been more if I had more.
Zijan Haranilla for I'm Perfect,
No, kuya. Huh? You're perfect. Ryan is strong.
Sure is strong.
Kuya, you're strong.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, kuya.
Joey Marquez for I'm Perfect. Ang mga nominado para sa Best Supporting Actor:
And the award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role goes to...
Unmarried, Tom Rodriguez.
To present the trophy is MMDA General Manager Nicolas Torre III.
To be part of that list with all of these amazing actors. Thank you so much. Thank you to the whole MMFF and to the jurors for this prestige. Lord, thank you so much for always providing my family's needs through the craft that I love. And I want to dedicate this award sana to my wife and son. My heart beats for them. They're my biggest cheerleaders. I love you, Mama. I know you're watching. Of course, to our producer, si Attorney Joji, thank you so much for always gambling on me from the beginning. Even when sometimes it seems like it's against the odds. Thank you so much, Tita. I love you. She's my second mother. To Popoy Caritativo, my manager, thank you so much for all the guidance. You're not only a manager and a dear friend, but you're also family. Of course, to Direct Jeffrey Jiturian, Direct Chris Martinez, thank you. To the whole cast of Unmarried and the whole production, thank you for allowing me to be a small cog in this beautiful film. Thank you, everyone.
At maligayang Pasko. Cedric, naniniwala ka ba na kailangang bida para maging unforgettable?
Oo naman, sabi nga ni Stanislavski, di ba? There are no small roles, only small actors. Kaya ito, sa parangal na to para sa aktres na nagbigay ng lalim, lakas, at hindi malilimutang presensya sa pelikula.
And of course, here are the nominees for Best Actress in a Supporting Role.
ang mga nominado para sa Best Supporting Actress: Ashtin Olviga,
Tapos na lang ako lang nila. Ako na nga nagre-reklamo para sa inyo eh.
Mismo.
Eugene Domingo,
Thank you for trusting me with this case, Ms. Santos.
Solen Husa for Unmarried,
If anything got worse, I have the right to take my son away from that kind of environment.
Sylvia Sanchez,
Saya-saya ko. Tandaan mo to ha, lagi lang ako nandito at ang tatay mo.
and Janice de Belen for I'm Perfect. Odette Khan for Bar Boys After School.
Stick to it. Sharpen and listen to your own conscience. Kasi, kung papakinggan mo ang ingay na yan, if your worth is in likes or dislikes,
Ang mga nominado para sa Best Supporting Actress.
And the best actress in a supporting role is... Our boys. Oh, forget ka.
Presenting the trophy is MMFF Exicom and Board of Juror, Miss Irene Jose.
good evening, everyone. Is the mic clear? I cannot remember any time when I never acted, even as a child. But did you know that I enjoyed every minute of it? Now, Bar Boys will never be complete without all these young guys beside me. So I share it with them. Lord, thank you so much for all the help you've given us. I thank you all. God bless.